Ayush. With an aim to boost and promote tourism in the Northeast, bikers from different parts of the country are undertaking a 10-day expedition titled Northeast on Wheels by travelling the length and breadth of Northeast India to showcase the beauty and rich cultural traditions of the people of the region. Here is a report.
Promoting domestic tourism, or what we call in Hindi, Dekho Apna Desh, was what prompted a group of bikers to get together and carry out an expedition to showcase the beauty and rich cultural diversity of India. And this time, the group is coming to Northeast India, covering 4 states in the region, namely Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Nagaland. In this year's expedition, 45 participants from different parts of the country are travelling in 3 groups, namely named after the birds and animals found in the region like the rhino, falcon and myna. A group of 10 bikers are visiting various parts of Meghalaya as part of the Northeast on Wheels Bike Expedition Season 2.
The kind of experiences that you can get anywhere else in the world, you can get right here. But what is the most important thing is the kindness and the beauty of this place is completely unspoken. The place, stands out because of its diversity in the flora and the fauna, and the national forests and the waterfalls and the beauty that comes with it.
ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऑन व्हील ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है हमारे कल्चर को जानने के लिए, क्योंकि हमारा कल्चर देखेंगे तो थोड़ा सा विभिन्न है, क्योंकि हम बिलोंग करते हैं दिल्ली जैसे एरिया से, जहाँ पास लोग ये समझते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है हमसे विभिन्न है, हमसे अलग है। लेकिन जब तक हम उनकी संस्कृति को नहीं जानेंगे, नहीं पहचानेंगे, हमारे यहाँ पास आने का कोई मकसद नहीं होता है। और हम चाहते हैं कि और से अधिक लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आए, यहाँ के जो नेचुरल है, यहाँ के प्राकृतिक है, उसको देखें, समझें और जानें।
Furthermore, the expedition is based on 3 themes: Dekho Apna Desh to promote domestic tourism, Amrit Kal celebrating the 75th year of our independence, and road safety to create awareness amongst the people about the need to follow protocols necessary to take maximum advantage of the improving road infrastructure.
This Northeast on Wheel activity was started to introduce Northeast to other areas of the country, as well as increasing the love for riding, making the nature aware, making the people aware of the nature of this beautiful part of the country, and of course to promote the road safety part. Not to forget the hospitality of the people we are enjoying since day one. Very hospitable people, always smiling faces, welcoming nature.
हम जो ये राइड करते हैं, राइड की हमारी थीम है रोड सेफ्टी कैंपेन। रोड सेफ्टी कैंपेन हम इसलिए लेते हैं क्योंकि एनआरसीबी का जो डेटा है उसमें आप देखेंगे हर साल लगभग 1 लाख लोगों की मृत्यु होती है। वो मृत्यु का सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि आप जब रोड पे चलते हैं तो सेफ्टी गियर्स का यूज नहीं करते। जस्ट लाइक आपके पास हेलमेट इज कंपलसरी आप पहने, वो चाहे आप घर से थोड़ी दूर के लिए जाएं या ज्यादा दूरी के लिए जाएं।
Meanwhile, the lone woman rider in the group, Vaidehi Hiramath, who is on her maiden visit to Northeast India, admitted that she was not aware of the beauty of this part of the country and said that this treasure trove needs to be explored.
Just seeing this beautiful landscape and exploring this part of India, like I didn't know that this part was this beautiful, and the roads are really great, and yeah, it's very good. I'll tell a lot of people my experience and ask them to visit these places too.
During the visit, the riders will also pay tributes to our national heroes, interact with local communities, and promote through social media the rich flora and fauna, cultural rainbow, and performative character of the citizens supporting the cause of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat in true spirit. Northeast on Wheels was started to introduce Northeast India to other parts of the country, as well as increasing the love for riding and making the people aware about the beautiful landscape and nature of this beautiful part of the country. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
In a